We're Tricam Industries. We produce home goods, building materials for Home Depot, Lowe's, big box stores, so ladders, carts, wheelbarrows, hose reels. We use StockIQ. We have manufacturing overseas, and then we bring finished good product in, and so we use StockIQ to help manage that, manage our distribution domestically, and order management and inventory management. I mean, even if we're just comparing directly to last year, I think it's very clear that the StockIQ team has taken our feedback that we provided them and really done a lot to work on listening to everybody, adding those inputs into this year's. The location being part of it, it's a beautiful location. It's really awesome. I think it's easier to get to. We're in Boulder, Colorado. It's beautiful weather, so that all adds to it. But I think the bigger thing being the conference itself and the fact that they were able to structure things a little more specifically, split it up into a management, essential and advanced type sections in order to really hit all different maturity levels across each company. So I think it's improved a lot, and location's great, everything's good. Yeah, I mean, this is our second year coming, and so we were here last year. We've seen a lot of the kind of regulars, I guess, and the same folks. Met a lot of new people as well. There's quite a few onboarding right now, which has been interesting to talk to them and maybe provide them a little bit of help and insight. But yeah, it's a big, diverse group as far as maturity level, and I think that helps everyone in terms of maybe how they set things up or helping others to set up. It's been interesting to talk to a lot of different folks. Going back to StockIQ and their feedback, I think that's a strong suit of theirs. If you have questions, if you have concerns, and you voice them, they're very responsive and will help. They might not know all the answers right away, which no one would expect that, but the fact that they're immediately willing and to go through it with you until they get to that solution, it's pretty powerful. So, we're growing with them, right? They're growing with us, and there's just a lot of good, innovative solutions that are coming down the pipe that I think we're all really excited about. But they take feedback really well, and I think it just helps us know where we're going, and they're willing to provide all that ahead of time, which is also really nice. A lot of that's at the ground level right now, so it's good because we're talking about it with them and how it should be developed. Yeah, and it's complicated because AI is one way to call it. There's machine learning. There's, we're currently using the statistical forecast and analysis method. You can call it a lot of different ways, but it's more about how do we take what we're already using, interject something that can learn and grow on its own, through data, through interaction, and that's really where they're trying to take this. So it's not a switch everything over. It's more of a how do we take what we already have and make it better by implementing AI, machine learning to kind of do it automatically, which is exciting and the way of the future, right? But it'll be interesting to see how they navigate it because it's a big, wide open thing that's pretty new. So yeah.